Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my morning routine with you. This is my quarantine morning routine. This is what I've been doing for the past month and a half. It only took me like a month and a half to get a hold of a routine, and I finally have one and it's been working for me. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I'm making the most of it. So my mornings usually consist of homeschooling, journaling, working out, cleaning, and just getting ready for the day. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and please continue to watch. So my mornings begin usually between 6 and 6:30 a.m. and I go straight to chugging some water before my morning coffee. So I like to wake up nice and early because I like to enjoy some alone time and drink my coffee in peace and quiet before my kids wake up, because I'm going to be dedicating a lot of my time to my kids, especially my son with his homeschooling. So I just like to wake up early and get a head start on my day and on myself so that I can focus just on them. So I love to journal and I love to plan. So I like decorating my planner with stickers and journaling highlights of the days or important things or fun memories, just so I can look back and remember these things. So I've been using a journal and a planner for years. So this is just something that I've always loved to do, and I do this every single day. And along with journaling and planning, I just like to make to-do lists for the day, and it keeps me motivated and it makes me feel accomplished to see all my things checked off for the day. So once all my thoughts are transcribed onto paper, I am going to get my workout on. So on this particular day, my back was hurting, so I opted to just do cardio. I didn't do any like weightlifting or like use my resistance bands or anything. So I'm using this machine here. It was gifted to me by my mom on Christmas. I don't know where it's from or the brand or nothing, but it's just like a little step machine. And as you can see, I bring it all the way over here in front of my dryer because this is the room farthest away from where my kids are, so that I don't risk waking them up. So I also greased this up so it's not squeaky or anything. So I just get on here for like 20-30 minutes. I just try to do 1,000 steps on here, and I just set up my phone on a little stand and watch my YouTube videos. I like watching Happy to Plan with Desiree every morning, because every morning around 7 a.m. she posts a new video. So I'm always excited for that and looking forward to that, and it helps my workout go by faster. But I am definitely missing the gym and missing my intense workouts. If you need a good workout video to follow, I have a glute workout video that I posted in the beginning of quarantine. So I'll link that in the little eye in the sky over there, and you guys can watch that. Someone told me that their booty was burning the next day, so I know that that video is effective. And after my workout is completed, I go straight to taking a shower. So that's another luxury that I like to enjoy, is taking a quiet shower with no kids interrupting or me having to worry about. So I just take my shower early in the morning while they're still sleeping, and then I go and get my skincare routine on. So right here, I'm just applying my eye cream and my facial moisturizer. And for my hair, on days that I don't wash it, I like to spray it with It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Spray, and then just comb it out. And now I'm going to change into my little two-piece set here. It's comfy, it's cute, it's oversized, it's stretchy, and it's perfect for quarantine and just being at home. On this day, it was a rainy day, so I was not gonna go out at all. So I just like to be comfortable, and these little two-piece sets are awesome for that. And I have a clothing haul, a Fashion Nova clothing haul with these little outfits that I'll have linked up for you guys. And by this time, it's usually around 8:30 a.m. and my kids are waking up. So I'm going to get breakfast started now so that they can eat right away. So lately I've been making just easy breakfast, simple breakfasts that aren't gonna dirty up a whole bunch of dishes, you know what I'm saying? Because I am so tired of just being in the kitchen making meals and washing dishes all day long. I don't know about you guys. So I just decided to boil up some eggs this morning, and I made a waffle for my daughter and some instant oatmeal for my son and I. And I've been really enjoying this one. It's organic, oats and flax, and it doesn't have a lot of sugar in it, so I really like it because it's more healthy than just that instant oatmeal with brown sugar. And I actually found that it's so easy to make the instant oatmeal on the Keurig. So I just put it for dispensed water only, and I set it for 4 ounces, and it's the perfect measurement for my oatmeal. So then we just stir it up, let it sit, and it's ready to eat. And these are our rationed breakfast meals for the day. My daughter is always ready and hungry to eat in the morning, and on the other hand, my son, I have to keep convincing him to come to the table. It's not easy for him because he knows that means that school has to get started, and he doesn't want to get started right away. But my daughter, look at her, she loves those eggs. So if you guys need any toddler meal ideas, I have a video for that I'll link at the little eye in the sky for you. So while we're all eating breakfast, I like to play a video from YouTube of the book that we're currently reading. So this is how we save time and we multitask. So right now we're reading The Hope Chest. And so I just find the chapter that we're on YouTube and we listen to it as we eat breakfast. So my son is currently reading 2 books. So this one we like to listen to, and the other book he's reading, he actually reads, and he'll read that out loud to me later on. As soon as I get the table cleaned up, my son starts school. And so since he's reading 2 books, one of them we listened to, and this one he's reading out loud to me. And I just find that to be helpful for him because he listens to himself read, and also I can help him with his schoolwork because he usually gets questions after each chapter. So it helps for me to know what's going on in the book if he has questions or needs help. So usually I either fold laundry or clean the kitchen, do the dishes. So on this particular day, he was reading to me while I was doing the dishes. My son has been doing so well with his e-learning. At first it was a struggle for him because he has ADHD. It was very hard for him to complete his assignments on his own. He would get distracted. So I would have to sit with him for up to 6 hours or more a day doing schoolwork. It was very frustrating for me and for him, and I'm so grateful for this quarantine that I'm able to see his ADHD firsthand and help him out, and we've been able to manage his ADHD, and he's been doing so well. He's been thriving academically, he's been getting A's on his tests, and I'm just so proud and grateful for this. That's my highlight of this quarantine, is helping out my son, and he's been doing so well. So right here, he's doing his math work on his own while I'm getting his sister ready for the day. I just wanted to quickly mention this CeraVe moisturizing cream. It works so well for my daughter's skin because she has eczema and she has a lot of dryness and she scratches really bad. So this has really helped her stay moisturized and keep her from scratching herself.
What can I do? You're so loving and gentle to the core. What can I do when you fill me with happiness and much more? What can I do? You're so stunning, I just can't look away. What can I do? I should know by now, you make my day. Never more will dreams expire. Keep it burning, baby, got this fire on my head. And don't dare to let go, cause each day for you, my love will grow. When you're not here, my heart is screaming out your name. Feels like a heart attack and you can fix the pain. Without you, I will never be the same again. It's you running through my veins. Your love runs through my veins. Your love runs through my veins. I'll never be the same. Your love runs through my veins.
Doing my daughter's hair is always a struggle, but it's just so fun and entertaining because she is so goofy and she loves any excuse to sit in my vanity because she's actually not allowed in my beauty room, but I let her sit in my beauty room when I do her hair. So she lets me do her hair as long as she can sit at my vanity.
By now you make my day. Never more will dreams expire. Keep it burning, baby, got this fire on my head. And don't dare to let go, cause each day for you, my love will grow. When you're not here, my heart is screaming out your name. Feels like a heart attack and you can fix the pain. Without you, I will never be the same again. It's you running through my veins. Your love runs through my veins. Oh, oh, your love runs through my veins. I'll never be the same. Your love runs through my veins. Yeah, your love runs through my veins.
So now we reached the cleaning portion of this video. My daughter's room was a mess because the day before I spent the whole day outside working on the balcony because I completely transformed it. I'm gonna have a video on that soon. I'm gonna show you how I transformed my balcony from ugly to fab. I turned it into a little sanctuary. So my son and my daughter stayed inside the house and basically made a huge mess. So she threw all her toys out. So right here I'm having her help clean up her room, and my son was cleaning up the living room for me while we were cleaning over here, and then I'm gonna move to my room, clean it up, and then I'll clean the floors.
Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just
And just in case if you're wondering, no, my daughter does not sleep in that bassinet anymore. My throw pillows do. I just throw all my pillows in there every night, and I lean the bassinet up to my bed because my daughter co-sleeps with us, and it just makes me feel more secure, like she's not gonna fall off the bed. So that's why I still have that there, even though she's 2.5 years old already.
I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I always stay dreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to.
So I just noticed that the baseboard of my bed and the top of this chest was really dusty, so I just decided to spray it and wipe it down.
The clouds, I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising. I'm soaring above it all.
So my son had already finished his schoolwork, and he actually picked up the living room for me. So now I'm just sweeping, and then I'm going to Swiffer mop the floors. He's playing Fortnite, and my daughter's enjoying a little snack and watching TV. Now I have finished my morning chores, and it's about 12 o'clock now, and I know I have little fingerprints on my microwave. Don't worry, I wiped those down. But now it's time for my midday coffee. Yes, my first cup of coffee was at 6 a.m. so I am due for my second cup, and now I get to rest for a little bit before it's time to get lunch ready, wash some more dishes, and just conquer the rest of the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me, and I hope to see you guys all next time. I love you, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!